Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to change your Cash App from personal to business. So let's get into the video. So open up your Cash App and then log into your Cash App account. So once I've done here, so what you need to do, you need to go to your profile here, click on the top right on your profile, and then once you get to this profile screen here, scroll down and you will see this option called personal. Simply select the personal option. Okay, and then when you select the personal option, if you scroll down here, you'll have an option called switch to business account. So what you're going to do, simply click on switch to business account, and then it's going to ask you and it's going to let you know some information, so basic information. So once this is done and everything, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply hit on change to business account. So when you hit on change to business account, so this is going to ask you a few prompts about your business. So you're going to just answer those prompts, and once that's done, and that's it, you're all set up to a business account and it will be changed to a business account. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.